Why so less people again? Only 12 children. It's already 11. Okay, I'm just sharing my screen. It's already 11:02. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
This
This
is a
is a
story,
story.
The
The
Talkative
talkative
Barber.
barber.
Ma'am, please.
This is a story of a barber who couldn't stop talking. The Sultan of the city, Kashgar, called a barber to shave his head. The barber, instead of shaving, began talking endlessly. The angry Sultan asked the barber to stop talking and focus on the task. The barber continued to talk, claiming to be the quiet one among his 6 talkative brothers. The Sultan, now angrier, offered him 3 pieces of gold and asked him to leave the house. But the barber said that he couldn't leave until he had shaved the Sultan's head. Then he began narrating yet another story. The Sultan asked the barber to hurry as he had an important affair at noon. The barber realized that the Sultan was angry, so he resumed the task. After a while, he stopped again and asked the Sultan about his important affair. To get rid of the barber quickly, the Sultan told him that he had planned a feast for his friends. The barber said that he too had planned a feast for his friends but hadn't prepared any food yet. Desperate to get rid of the barber, the Sultan offered all his food to him. The barber, however, insisted on checking the quantity of food. The Sultan ordered his servants to bring all the food before the barber. The barber then demanded some fruits for dessert. The Sultan, now desperate, agreed. The barber took another half an hour to examine the food items while the Sultan sat restlessly. Finally, the barber began to shave the remaining hair off the Sultan's head. After a few minutes, the barber stopped again. He began praising the Sultan's generosity. And once again, the barber started talking endlessly.
My job is to make college easier because students have a lot on their mind.
Unit 4 My Elder Brother.
Ma'am, that's chapter previous.
Fruits for dessert. After a few minutes, the bar
Arna, please mute your mic. Ma'am, your mic is
Ma'am, your mic is off.
The presentation stopped. What's going on in the chat box?
number.
Rudra Jajadia,
Yes, ma'am.
you will continue for the whole period?
No,
Aryaman,
ma'am, this was the last.
you did not hear the story, that means, right?
Ma'am, I had heard
Okay.
the barber was talking
Hmm.
continuously with the Sultan, and Sultan had gave him some foods, and the barber had tell him to give some fruits also to make the desserts.
So, what is the story about actually? The Baba was
Talkative.
trying.
Talkative.
The Baba was very talkative, and while talking to the king, he took advantage of the king's irritation because he wanted to
Ma'am,
get
I
away
have
with
read
this.
the whole chapter.
He wanted to get away with this barber, so he kept giving him things so that he goes away and finishes his work fast, right? Who all have read the story?
Ma'am, I have read the story.
Ma'am, I have read the story.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have read the
Ma'am, when we were doing the class discussion, when we started the class discussion chapter, before that, I have read the talkative Baba chapter.
Yeah, Migdad, what happened?
Ma'am, I finished the MCQs also.
Okay, great. So let's move to the new words. Who's a chatterer? Who is a person whom we call chatterer?
Barber. Barber was the chatterer.
Baba was a chatterer.
Ma'am, talkative.
Yes, a person who talks a lot, a person who talks continuously, we call that person a chatterer. We also call them a chatterbox. We also refer to them as chatterbox. Like we can say Ekansh is a chatterbox. So that means Ekansh talks a lot. Defect means a fault, something we bring from the market, and after coming home we realize that there is something wrong in the thing and it's not working, so that means it has a defect in it, a fault in it. Opinion, we all know, we give our views, thoughts, those are called opinions. What a person feels about a person, thing, or subject. Exhausted means tired and fed up.
Ma'am,
You go
horrible
for a
voice is
walk.
coming from your.
A walk, you go for a walk or you go for playing, and after running so much you get tired and you don't feel like getting up and walking also, so that's called exhausted. Dessert, a sweet dish served after the main meal. Examine, to look at something very carefully, at length, at a stretch. So how many brothers did the barber have? Who's going to tell?
Ma'am.
Just raise your hands. Just raise your hands.
Ayush, ma'am, can Ayush tell?
Yeah, Freya.
Ma'am, the six. Ma'am, the Baba had six
The
brothers.
Baba had six more brothers. So why was the Sultan in a hurry? Was there any occasion for which he was in a hurry?
Ma'am, can I use tell?
Anya Mittal. Anya, why have you raised your hand? Ayush, tell me. Where is Ayush Singhania gone now?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am, I'm here. He
Yeah.
had a special occasion, a special affair that he had to attend.
So why did the Baba take so long to shave the Sultan? Khevna, give me the answer.
Ma'am, the barber took really long to save the Sultan because the barber was very talkative and wouldn't shave his head because he was talking to the Sultan.
Okay, Rudra Jajaria, tell me true or false. The Baba was shaving the Sultan's beard.
False.
Why is it false?
Ma'am, because the barber was talking with him continuously.
No, that's not the right answer.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Kush.
Ma'am, because false because he shaved his hair, not beard. Ma'am, your mic is off. Ma'am, your mic is off.
He shaved
Ma'am.
his head and not his beard. Yes, Samriddhi, tell me.
Ma'am, can you open the chat box?
No.
Ma'am, I am telling that. Can. Ma'am, there is two to Samriddhi. Yeah, ma'am, I am telling that only.
Now it's okay, Samriddhi?
Yes.
Okay. So the next one is the Sultan gave him 3 gold coins in all during the story. There, yeah? True or false?
The Sultan gave it. True, ma'am. That's
True. True. The Baba refused to leave the Sultan's palace. Ekansh.
Are you still? Ma'am, true.
True. There were 7 brothers altogether in the Sultan's family. Mohit. How many
Ma'am, can I
brothers?
tell the answer?
Mohit Sharma. How many brothers? True or false? There were 7 brothers altogether in the Sultan's family.
Ma'am,
Am
can
I
I
getting-
answer?
Ayush, can you keep quiet?
Ma'am, there are 6 brothers.
6 brothers altogether in the Sultan's family. So this one is false. So the answers are false, true, true, false. Got it?
I'm not in
False.
the Sultan's family, in the barber's family.
False. In
Sultan's
Baba's
family.
Yeah, in the Baba's family. Why did the Baba want
Ma'am, but
a
I is
lot?
Sultan's family.
Ekansh, can you stop repeating what I'm saying? One teacher is enough in the class. We don't need another sir. Why did the Baba want a lot of food? Okay. Vivan, Vedi, Karnav, Twisha, Daksh Patel. Switch on your cameras. Karnav, am I teaching your fan or the pink wall of your house? Whom am I teaching? Do they have ears? Do they have mouth? Oh, they have. The fan has a mouth and the ball has a mouth.
No, ma'am.
Why did the Baba want a lot of food? Karnav, tell me, why did the Baba want a lot of food?
What, ma'am?
Why did the Baba want a lot of food? See, this is what happens when we keep our camera off. We are in a dream world. Ready? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Why did the Baba want a lot of food? I'll keep repeating these questions for the people who are not listening. Yeah?
Because his brothers, I think friends,
Hmm. Yeah.
come to his
Hmm? Because his brothers.
because of brothers,
Hmm.
brothers.
Not paying attention in the class, Vedi.
Ma'am, can I get want to breakfast?
This is the time to have breakfast. 11:15. You want to have breakfast?
No, ma'am.
Half day has
Ma'am.
gone.
Because of brothers want to breakfast like that only.
Ma'am, can I give the
I don't have any idea.
Migdad. Where is Migdad gone? Migdad, why did the Baba want a lot of food?
Ma'am, because the day before he invited 4 to 5 friends at his house.
Okay, so
So he
is the
invited them for lunch or dinner.
okay. Next,
And he hadn't prepared.
did,
Yeah,
okay.
he wanted it.
Did the Sultan enjoy the Baba's talk? Was he enjoying the Baba's
Ma'am,
talk?
can I say?
Tuisha, 1 minute. Tuisha. Tuisha Chandrana. She's blabbering somewhere else. I don't know where. Without the mic on. Samples in my class. Aryaman,
Ma'am, he did not like the barber's talk.
Tuisha, stop doing the acting that you are saying something because I am not able to hear you because your mic is off. Aryaman, tell me, did the Sultan enjoy the Baba's talk?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because he was talking just that that my brother, I'm not talkative, I'm quiet, and my brother, and he was saying that my one brother is blind and one brother is having something else. So that's why he didn't like the talk, and he was talking continuously.
Yes, so he wasn't enjoying the Baba's talk. Instead, he was getting irritated that when will this Baba finish my haircut and then he leaves my place.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Lakshay, which part of the story did you find the funniest?
The talking one, because he continues talking.
Ma'am,
Just like Lakshay.
ma'am,
Yes,
No,
Migdal.
ma'am. No.
in my opinion, I didn't even find this story funny. In my opinion.
The story isn't funny, it's more of irritating because the Baba
Yeah.
kept on talking.
The Sultan get irritated
Bored.
at giving the barber food.
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, not
And
like
the
funny.
coins. And the
Not
coins.
supposed to be at least.
And Freya, yeah, what do you think?
Ma'am, I found the part funny when the barber said that the Sultan was generous, but the Sultan wanted to get rid of the barber. That's why he was
That's
doing
why he was giving all this to the Baba. Okay, what are the things the Sultan gave to the Baba? Rudra Jajaria.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Twisha, I can hear you now.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, Twisha. Rudra Jajaria.
Can you hear me?
Can somebody tell her I can hear her?
Yes, Tusha, she can hear you.
Everybody can hear you.
But she can't hear. She can't hear us.
And she said, in her chat, she can't hear you.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Please get your network changed, Trisha. It's high time you take some action on your network.
Ma'am, she can't listen you.
Ma'am, you have to write in chat box.
I don't know. Okay, what are the things the Sultan gave to the Baba? Daria, tell me.
can't write in the chat.
Daria Shah.
Yes, ma'am. He gave some fruit, ma'am, but ma'am, he gave some fruits. To Sultan gave some fruits
Hmm.
and some fishes and chicken all to the Baba.
Hmm. And coins also, right? He gave coins also. 3 gold
Yes,
coins.
ma'am. 3 gold coins.
Okay. Ridan, then Kushahuja, Daksh Patel, then Ayush Singhania. I can't see. I'm also going to sit like this only today. Wait. See. This is the way I'm going to sit. You keep searching Catherine ma'am on the screen. You also talk to the blue wall. Like I talk to your walls. You people also talk to the walls. I'm going to take the class like this today. Okay. Study the word. Study the words. Okay, no. The next question is, do you think the Sultan was really very generous?
Ma'am, can I?
Khevna, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. The Sultan was not that generous, but he was getting so irritated to just get rid of him. He said, "Okay, I will give you I will give you my food." That's the reason why the Sultan thought that if I gave him the food, then he would just leave and wouldn't talk.
Yes, he would stop talking and concentrate on his work. Yes, Migdat.
No, what I'm saying is Khevna made it very, very complicated.
So you give me a simple answer then.
Sultan got very irritated by the talkative barber, and he
Mhm.
gave him food to get rid of him. Like,
Yeah, he gave him food to get rid of him.
why,
He was not
why make it
generous.
complicated when
So
you
he wasn't generous.
don't
at
have
all.
to?
Okay.
He was
Study the words in the first column and see the changes in the second column. The words in column 2 are the opposites of the words in column 1. And when does that happen? Only when we add suffixes or prefixes to them, right? So, like it's colorless, colorful. Okay, colorless, colorful. So the meaning changes, right? Color, colorless. Or when we are adding prefixes, it becomes important, unimportant, right? It opposite becomes the opposite. So important, unimportant, patient, impatient, pleasure, displeasure. So the words which are given in blue, un, im, dis, are called prefixes because they are attached before the word to change the meaning. So that's why called prefixes. And the ones which are added behind the word, which are like FUL, LESS, those are called suffixes. Okay, now we have to write the opposites of the following. Please write it along. Believe. What will become opposite of believe? Rahil, you first set your hairstyle like Salman Khan in Tere Naam. Huh? I'll give you a comb.
Ma'am,
Now
can you please, ma'am, can you please set your camera?
what, Ayush?
Can you please set camera?
Why? It is so nice. I can do anything. I can have food. I can have water. I can have tea. It's so good to be like this. You people can see me only.
Ma'am, it's not all right.
What is it? It's annoying, no? It's annoying, no?
Yes.
Yes. When you see the fan,
Yes.
the pink walls and the blue walls, right? It's annoying, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Daksh Patel, how is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Vedi,
Ma'am,
Karna.
what's the opposite of believe?
What is it? I don't know.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
say?
can
What
I?
is it?
Ma'am, disbelief. Ma'am, disbelief.
Disbelief. Believe. D-I-S.
All of them. I have one minute.
Believe. Disbelief. Shaved. Somebody has a shaved head and somebody
Unshaved.
has a unshaved. UN.
Ma'am, may I say tell the third?
Yeah. Perfect.
Imperfect.
Imperfect. Imperfect. IMPERFECT. That will become the opposite of perfect. Satisfy.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, and will that say again?
Yeah. Ayush, tell me.
Ma'am, it is unsatisfied. Satisfied, unsatisfied.
Unsatisfied or unsatisfied. We can make any one. Polite. Priya, polite.
Ma'am,
Impolite.
impolite.
Impolite. I am polite. Impolite. Respect. Lakshay.
Ma'am,
Respect. Shh. No, ma'am.
Unrespect. Unrespect.
Yeah? Unrespect. Imrespect.
This.
disrespect.
Disrespect.
Disrespect. Huh? Disrespect. Next. Pure. Pure.
Impure.
Mohit.
Ma'am, some machine sound is coming from your background.
Mohit. Mohit is staring at me as if he's seen me for the first time. Mohit. He's become still. He has seen a ghost. Mohit Sharma.
Like this.
Nice. It's a still picture. Who is this? Migdad, do you have any manners? Yeah, no. Are you switching on the mic on and off with your toes?
Like this.
No, I'm never offing it. I'm keeping it on.
No, you will not do that. Ready?
There's any noise.
Put your mic off, Vedi. Pure, I want Daksh Patel. Tell me, what is the opposite of pure? Very good. We have 15 left.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Take the attendance.
impure.
Impure. Impure. IMPURE. Expected. Expected. Kevna. Expected.
Yes, ma'am. Expected, unexpected.
Unexpected. Aryaman. Obedient.
What, ma'am?
Obedient.
Obedient.
Ma'am, can I just?
Ma'am, I don't know the opposite of obedient.
Are you sitting
can
with
I?
your book?
Wow. Can I?
Are you
Yes,
sitting
ma'am.
with your book?
What, ma'am?
Are you sitting with your book?
No, ma'am. My book was not. My book was not there. I found it.
Karnav Patel. Karnav Patel. Migdal, I'm going to send this recording to your father today and ask him to make you join a music and a singing school rather than the English class. I'm going to tell him today. Wait. I'm going to call your mom.
But I just said, ma'am.
No, you did not say ma'am, no?
What did I say then?
Ma'am, he danced a little while saying ma'am.
And it was
No,
in a
he sang a
rag,
little.
rag of ma'am. You know what's
He
a rag?
sang ma'am.
Rag.
Yes, ma'am. Like ma'am, like that.
Ha, correct, Ayush.
I sung the word like that.
Rag, ma'am. There's a new rag that he has
It sounds like
invented.
ma'am.
Migdad has invented a new rag. Please tell Bharat sir.
No, ma'am, that's how I can't sing. Ma'am, it's a rap.
He can't.
No, it's not. What, ma'am?
Obedient. Ekansh.
Ma'am.
Opposite
Ma'am,
of
can you say-
obedient is
Disobedient.
disobedient. Okay. Now we have to use the opposites in the fill-ups that are given on the next page, and the opposites will be of the words which are given in pink.
Ma'am,
Okay.
in my book, it is not printed successfully.
Huh? In your book?
Ma'am, it's the lines are not printed successfully like the teacher got it. I
The
can't.
teacher got upset with Rani because her work was dash. So what kind of work did she get because of
Ma'am,
it?
can I?
Upset?
Untidy.
Push Ahuja.
Yes.
Ma'am, untidy.
Untidy work. The dog was dashed to climb the tree to chase the cat. Rudra Jajadiya. Some other website.
Successful.
You are very unsuccessful in giving me the right answer. Ridan Goyal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. How are you? Where are you? What are we doing? What are we doing?
We are doing this.
So this has a name or not? Which sentence are we on?
Ma'am, ma'am, can I say something? About Vedant only.
Ridan, read the sentence that we are on. I already read it actually. Vedi, read the sentence. Vedi is frozen. Migdad, read the sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Migdad. Migdad,
Ma'am, sorry, I forgot to open my mic.
read the
The dog
sentence.
was dashed to climb the tree to chase the dog. Chase
Yeah.
the cat.
What is the blank?
Unable.
Unable. Able
Ma'am, what's
opposite
the
is
answer? Ma'am, what's the answer of second?
unable. 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 I dash hot milk.
got the-
I like it cold. There. I like hot milk. Sorry. I like I dash hot milk. I like it cold. There. Very good. 12 people. Excellent. I
don't know.
Ma'am, I found the.
Ma'am, can I?
Freya, give me.
I dislike hot milk.
Correct.
I
I
like it
cold. Number 4.
Ma'am, can I say?
Number 4.
Yes.
Say
Okay.
it is.
It is impossible to cross the road during peak hours.
Correct. During peak traffic hours. Number 5. Rudra Jajadia. Number 6.
A
Lakshay.
magician waved his magic wand
Wand.
and
And
made
the
a
rabbit.
rabbit.
Ma'am, can I see the answer?
Unappear.
Huh? What?
Ma'am, he said unappear.
Good night, Rudra. Kush,
Ma'am,
what
can
is the
I see-
answer?
Ma'am, disappear.
Disappear. Number 6. Lakshay's turn. Lakshay.
The passengers became unkind when train was late again.
How can you become unkind when the train is late? Why will you be
What
unkind?
passenger
Aryaman, give me the answer. Quickly.
Oh, ma'am, answer is the impatient.
Impatient. Impatient. It is very dash to make fun of another person's weaknesses.
Ma'am, what is the answer of
Impatient. Lakshay, impatient. U-M.
impatient and the
Patient.
fifth answer?
Disappear.
Transmute your mic.
Freya, give me the answer. 7.
Unkind.
Unkind. Okay, that's all for today. We'll meet on Monday. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Ma'am.